to another video. Today we have the Ridgid buy one get one free deal that they still have. I don't know if this is from the holidays, but we still got some deals that are up still. If you guys want to get them, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much you go to the homedepot.com, you got the Ridgid. You go on the search section here, you type in Ridgid 18 volt. You're going to start scrolling down here. You're going to start getting a lot of free tool battery deals here. So $199, I guess, for this one. I'm not going to go over the $299 deals. I'm just going to go over the cheaper ones. Most of these already have the tool included, as you guys see right here, free LED lights. So you can't do what I'm going to be doing. So you go down to the cheaper one, which is, okay, there we go. So this is the deal, or the one you have to find. It is the $199 special buy. 18 volt brushless subcompact real driver and impact driver combo with the two 2 amp hour batteries and a charge in the back. So you click on it. You're supposed to be getting this tool free savings up here, the little thing. And then you can click on this. It says buy now and get a free tool or a battery. Let's see here. Let's see what we can get. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. So you can choose from 3 items. All right. So the first item you can get for free with this kit is the 18 volt subcompact lithium cordless brushless 3-inch multi-material saw for $99. And then you can get the 18 volt subcompact cordless 3/8 impact wrench tool only for $139. Or you can get the 18 volt compact batteries for 2-pack for $69. So I would definitely go for this one. If you already have this one or you don't need it, then go for that. It's the second best, but I would definitely go for the most expensive. Get the most bang for your buck. As you guys do see here, it does go to $199. So even if you want to return the tool and just want to keep the kit, you're still getting a brushless subcompact kit for $117. That's definitely a smoking deal. Save 41% from $199. That is a really great deal there. And if you want to get this tool, it goes down from $139 to $81.84. Definitely worth it. Definitely check it out. If you're into this platform, if you want to expand your platform, buy a couple of these. I don't know, return them however you want to do it. It's up to you. Let's go to the cart and see how this looks like. You guys do here, it totals out to $338 minus the $139. The green deal here we have goes down to $189. So definitely check it out. Great deal there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And don't forget to look at our Milwaukee and DeWalt Makita deals. That I'll see if I can link them up above for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.